Hello everyone, my name is Corinne Rodriguez-Linares and I'm going to do a critical assessment of the Precede-Proceed model for the Wilcox County Diabetic Program. So what is Precede and what is the Precede-Proceed model? It's a model that has been developed to use for public health and community interventions. Precede and Proceed are acronyms, with Precede standing for predisposing, reinforcing, enabling constructs in educational environmental diagnosis as well as evaluation. The Precede portion of this model has 4 phases, phase 1 to phase 4, with phase 1 being the social assessment. This is where we identify the ultimate desired result. Phase 2 is the epidemiological assessment. In this phase, we identify and set priorities for health and community issues. We also learn about how behaviors, lifestyles, and environmental deterrents can create barriers in achieving a particular result. Phase 3 is the educational and ecological assessment. This is where we identify the predisposing, enabling, and reinforcing factors that can affect behaviors and attitudes. We'll also address environmental factors that were identified in phase 2 of the model. Phase 4 is the administrative and policy assessment and intervention alignment. In this phase, we identify the administrative and policy factors that influence what can be implemented. The Proceed portion, portion stands for policy, regulatory, organizational, constructs, and educational and environmental development. In this portion of the model, it has 4 phases as well, phase 5 to phase 8. Phase 5 is implementation. This portion of the model is where we design the program and conduct the intervention. Phase 6 is the process evaluation. This part of the evaluation is where we evaluate if we are actually doing the things that we had planned to do. And phase 7 is impact evaluation. During the impact evaluation, we check to see if the intervention is having the desired impact on the target population. Phase 8 is the outcome evaluation. This is where we analyze the program to see if the intervention is leading to the desired outcome we had planned for in phase 1. So, some of the strengths and weaknesses of the Precede-Proceed model for the Wilcox County case study. I found that the strengths of the model were the program was structured, so we knew exactly what steps to take because of the logic model, but it was also has flexibility to make changes to fit the program and community goals and interventions. It involved the community, which helps get different ideas about what works and what doesn't from community members, and we can also address barriers before they were to occur. It also incorporates evaluation into the process, and this allows for adjustments to be made. And it's a model that is widely used in the field of public health, and it has great success. Some of the limitations for the model were that there was a whole lot of data to collect to see if the intervention was working, and available resources like time and employees need to be available to collect the data. Some observations: I learned that revisiting the program's short and long-term goals will allow you to make adjustments and keep you on course to achieving the success of the interventions. The logic model is adaptable to programs' needs, and this is an important tool for program success. What worked? The smarter objectives really worked for me. It allowed for monitoring and implementation of progress, where we were reaching our goals. Some of the challenges that I found were, in my particular case study, how I set it up, I involved a lot of community clinics as well as partners, and in reality, the cost to cover staff would have burdened the program budget. In the future, I would have decreased the number of partners for a 2-year pilot study, as resources were very limited, and I learned how the program can be implemented in combination with other services offered. This is what I learned from the Precede-Proceed model for the Wilcox County case study. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.